phone during your search. Say the list number of the contact you want to call.
3rd Street, Newark. We have black and green Mustang. I'll get 28 seconds. Boy North Sam, 18 young. Boy North Sam, 18 young. Be a black and green Mustang. We're headed back toward Focus.
South Locust Place in Newark, 405 South Locust Place in Newark.
122 at 469. Light traffic. Speeds 110, 122 at the intersection.
B9 to pursue 122 southbound towards 69 four-way intersection, south of Newark. 10.
Dispatch, we're going to run the
direct.
He ran the four-way here about 120. We're headed towards Newark. Trying to get caught up so I can TV out.
Dispatch, he's just went through the 69 intersection, headed towards Old Trough. Dispatch, can you have to train him?
Dispatch, no traffic. Speed 110, still 122.
Dispatch, if you a black and green Mustang, unsure on the 28.
Speed 130, coming up on the bridge.
Dispatch, he's made it to the White River Bridge, still southbound.
Dispatch, he just ran off the road here by the river.
Off the White River Bridge on 122, headed forward.
Go, 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 go! Out. 2 white males on foot in the field.
2 white males on foot in the field.
You see anything else?